this message, I send this message for all those people if they feel say they wise, if they feel say you be intelligent man. I am an intelligent man. I am an intellectual. You know to say you be mumu. You know to say your mumu mature. Your land, now where the oil they come from. Now your land, the whole resources they come from. They don't pollute your land. They don't pollute your river. They don't destroy your land, destroy your river. The marine life where your river cannot thrive. They don't pollute Ogoni land. They don't pollute Oloibiri land. All the whole river where they for Bayelsa Delta, no one well. All the river is polluted. And you will say you are a wise man. When the Igbos are agitating for Biafra, you see an opportunity where you say you go suppose join voice. Because now you go gain. Your own gain, your own benefits. You they want me to come consult you. You they wait me to come consult you for your own benefits. You can't afford good education. You can't afford good healthcare system. You can't afford good lifestyle. You can't afford 3 square meal for your children. They will carry your money, they go nuts. They bank up for Swiss bank. They bank up for France bank. They bank up for all around the world. But now the Igbo man ain't be your problem. Now the Igbo man, now want shit you. The Igbo man they are for Biafra, now want shit you. You know say you mumu? You know say your mumu get grade. Your mumu mature. Your mumu in fact you get mumu. In fact you have a master's in mumu. You have doctorate in mumu. May they come consult you for a struggle where you say you supposed to queue into, where go benefit your children and your generation. Now you where they call yourself South, they call yourself Southeast. Now you supposed to be at the forefront of this struggle for liberation. Now you supposed to be at the forefront. Now your anger supposed to be the mature pass. Because now you they suffer pass. Now your children they suffer pass. Now your people, your land, now they don't pollute. Now your river they don't pollute. Now I suppose they come out with great anger, say they face the reality. But you are a glorified slave. A glorified mumu man. You go there, may they come consult you for a struggle where go benefit you and your children and your generation. Who they fool himself? Who be mumu for here now? Igbo man where they agitate for struggle where go benefit you. Struggle where go benefit you and your children. You they draw nyash. May they come consult you first. You know say you be mumu. You know they sit down reason and say you be mumu. So you don't know say you be mumu. Oh, you want me to say you be mumu? I be make you know say you be mumu. In fact, you're a mumu man. You are a mumu man. Abacha loot waiting he loot. They see they pay us from grave till today. Where the money where you loot, where it come from? Your land. Your anger, no dey there. Now Igbo man where they struggle to liberate himself, make him fit determine his life and the future of his children. When we say if you call yourself South and call yourself Southeast, Niger Delta, you call yourself South and Niger Delta, you supposed to queue into this struggle. You go benefit you. Now for your benefits, you dey fight against the Igbo. Say the Igbo they show you sense. No say you mumu. What you go benefit you? Now after they show your stupid wiseness. No, you wise for something that will benefit you and your generation unborn. To be free, to determine the kind of life you want for your children, to determine the kind of life you want for your generation to come, to be able to afford good education, to be able to afford good healthcare system, to be able to afford electricity, common electricity. You don't get. People they agitate for a struggle where will benefit you. You they draw nyash, they show pride. They show your mumu-ness. They show your mumu grade. They show the master so you get for mumu. May they come consult you first. You don't get shame. In fact, shame no dey your high. In fact, I dey shame for you. Man, borrow shame give you. May you shame yourself. Now you wake up yourself South and Niger Delta supposed they are the forefront. They agitate for freedom because of your land they don't pollute. Now your river don't destroy. Now the life of your children and your children unborn, they don't mortgage into this one contraption called One Nigeria. Now the future of your generation, they don't thief. Now you suppose they forefront. They head this movement. Igbo man had your problem. Igbo man will come consult you, what will benefit you. Shame they cash you. Shame they cash you. May they borrow you, shame you shame yourself. My friend, you are a mumu man in Asari language. You are a mumu man. My friend, come and get out here. Smell that.